Thank you, Professor Irina, for that wonderful presentation on ISLP. Pretty much insightful. We are very much honored to be to partner with the organization for this event, and of course, extending the same invite to as many persons who would want to be a part of that global movement, to go on the website, social media handles, engage and try to be a country coordinator and extend the knowledge and the reach of research, data science. Pretty much it's becoming the new oil, as we would want to call it. So let's try to extend that knowledge and that reach to as many persons as would want it. All right, so it's my humble pleasure to be introducing to us the lead data consultant and the CEO of Hankali Intel Limited, Michael Mgbame. He started Hankali in 2021 and is a data professional with experience in tech, power distribution, education, data consulting, financial and marketing metrics, and business development. He currently consults for the Credit Pros, New Jersey, USA, as a data analytics specialist and a tutor with Career Foundry Berlin, Germany. He holds a BS in Statistics from Michael Okra University of Agriculture, Umudike, Nigeria, and a Master's in Data Science and Artificial Intelligence from the University of Hull, UK. Michael is also a member of the Data Science Nigeria and Data Science Nigeria Artificial Intelligence chapter. So Michael will quickly be doing an introduction on Hankali Intel and then also move into his presentation on modern data science tools for research. So Mike, over to you.
To unmute myself. Hi guys, thank you. When Elvis introduces you, you get this. He's really good at that, right? So yeah, hi guys. I'm glad to be here. This is going to be a really interesting 2 days, right? We're going to learn a lot. We're going to network. We're going to be exposed to things that you were not exposed to in the data analytics space, things we're not privy to. So yes, I'll go straight to it and I'll talk about Hankali Intel, right? Permit me to share. Tell me, please, can you help out? Can't seem to share my screen.
Yeah, you should be able to share.
All right, perfect. Thanks, man. All right, cool. Okay. Yeah, apologies for the tab too. Yeah, it's a lot sometimes. So can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? All right, perfect. All right. All right, so Hankali Intel, right? Basically, we are a data consulting and an ed tech company. And by data consulting, what we mean is this, in layman's terms, is any service that requires or borders around data. By data, we mean information. Information comes in different forms. It can be text, it can be visual, it can be audio, it can be pictures. Whatever it is that has to deal with data, collecting data and making sense of that data, helping you to take informed decisions. That is what we do as a data consulting company. If you need to gather data from the field, if you need to visualize your data, if you want to do research, if you want to find out more insights about your data, we use statistical techniques, regression, chi-square tests, a lot, multivariate analysis, there are lots of logistics regression, there are lots of analysis that can be carried out with the data that will help inform the kind of decisions that businesses take. That is what we do as a data consulting company. If you want to get your data from SaaS, from software as a service softwares, for example, Salesforce, Twilio, other tools that most foreign companies, most international companies make use of, we help out with that by leveraging modern data stack. And by modern data stack, I mean modern tools. Initially, companies will go around writing Python pipelines to get data transformed and feed it into a data warehouse, a database, or a data lake, depending on the use case for the company. There are low-code tools now. There are no-code tools that will help you connect to data from different sources and load it into your database. If you want to leverage this kind of modern data stack tools, Hankali Intel will consult for you, will implement these tools for you, help you from the point of data collection to the point of getting insights and taking decisions. That's what we do as a data consulting company. Now, as an edtech company, what we do is to get people upskilled, right? Get people to go from a place where they are fascinated, they are enthusiasts about data, to a place where they are confident to say that they can help a company derive insights or help a company take informed decisions, because that is the goal for data, right? To help companies improve, reduce profit and reduce cost, improve revenue. That's what we are all about, right? Helping businesses. So that's what we do as a company. All right, so today, I think went through the introduction, our mission and our vision. I would also piggyback off what I said a couple of minutes ago. Then I'll go through our services. Then we have our flagship product, which we are working on, an edtech product. Because as a company, as Hankali Intel, we basically also build products, right? Data products. There are things called data products that we specialize into. So we have our flagship product, which we'll look into. And then we'll talk about our community, a community we want to grow that will help people plug that bleeding from statistics, from mathematics, to the point of AI, to the point of data analytics, to the point of helping businesses take decisions. There's a disconnect there. So we are building a community that will help plug that bleeding. And then we'll talk about why businesses should work with us, and then we'll go through our contact. Then from there, we get into data science tools, right? So like my partner mentioned, Elvis, we were founded in 2021. That was when the idea was born, right? We set out with a mission to dominate the data analytics service sector and elevate data literacy through modern data stack education. And over the years, we've been able to establish ourselves as a leader by leveraging cutting-edge analytics tools and solutions for businesses. We also have our educational program that has been designed for different skill levels. At the end of the day, we present a blend of innovation and education. Our goal is to equip individuals, businesses with the tools and knowledge to leverage data effectively. Now, our mission, like I mentioned earlier a couple of seconds ago, to advance the management of data in Africa by leveraging data analytics, by helping businesses, organizations want to advance the way Africa leverages data nowadays, right? From the point of a data analysis, point where they have insights, to the point where companies and staffs are data literate, to know that data is what is going to inform and help bolster Africa and take us to the next level, right? And other parts of the world, right? Not just related to Africa alone. We also, our mission is capacity building. That's why we're in the edtech space. Help people learn about data, the importance of data, the fact that data is something that can be used in all facets of life. Every occupation generates data, whether you're in the marketing space, whether you're in the aeronautics space, data is there for you to be analyzed. Then fostering strategic partnerships, that's our mission. That's why we are working with bodies like ISLP to help foster strategic partnerships that will take data to the next level. And we know one of the banes, one of the foundations of data analytics, AI, machine learning, deep learning, whatever, it starts from statistics, mathematics. You have to understand what you are doing on a base level. So that's why we want to foster strategic partnerships with people that are also passionate about things like this. And then we provide easy to use, reliable solutions, right? Which we'll see as we go on. Our vision is very clear. It's for every business, every organization, every person to use data to grow, to innovate, and to make smarter decisions. Yeah, so I talked about our flagship product. It's called Hankali app, right? What this product does is to help people that want to learn today. If you go online, you would see lots of companies, right? Lots of companies that teach data nowadays, which is very good. They are as well contributing to the data space. They're helping people to get exposed, people to learn the necessary skill sets to thrive. So Hankali app is an edtech platform that specializes on data education, right? And you can see it's called Dive into Data Mastery with Hankali AI. We are leveraging AI to help people learn data. There's a module for gigs where you get to see data analytics gigs, data science gigs that you get to earn from as you complete these gigs. Then you see jobs that every single person that wants to get into the data analytics space can come and see jobs that are specific to data from the web. You get all this here. Then there's a coach platform, so a coach module rather, where you are being paired with coaches that will help educate you. If you watch the YouTube video, for example, and you are not clear as to what something like slowly changing dimension means in the data engineering space, right? Because you need to know what slowly changing dimension means for you to get data from one platform to another. If you're not clear about that, you can reach out to a coach. A coach will be with you within 15 to 30 minutes to answer your query, right? That's another thing we offer. Then we have our crash courses. Our crash courses are courses that we've developed. We've partnered with a couple of people to have courses, crash courses, 1 hour, 2 hour courses that will get you into data. For example, those that want to know how important statistics is to AI, there will be a course there that will be called Statistics for AI, Introduction to Statistics for AI, right? Those are the kind of things you get on the platform. So that's our flagship product. Hi guys, please, can you hear me? I've been talking for a while.
Yes.
All right, please. After this, if there are any questions, we'll take before we move into the next session. So yeah, these are our services. We just spoke about our flagship product. We customize AI chatbots, right? We build AI chatbots for companies, for businesses. So if you are a business that needs an AI chatbot to be built on a separate platform, right, we'll build that for you. We can also implement other types of solutions that would take your chatbot to the next level if it's to ensure that it responds specific to your business and it's not just responding generally as ChatGPT does, right? We'll make it specific to your business. We'll make the chatbot learn from your data. So we'll customize AI chatbots. Then artificial intelligence, right? Will help you build models. Will let you know if your company is mature enough to even start leveraging artificial intelligence, because most companies are not, right? So that's one of the services that will render. In data science, which is the superset for every single thing around data, right? Using scientific methods, algorithms to help businesses leverage both structured and unstructured data. Then we also build business intelligence dashboards. Everybody knows Power BI nowadays. Everybody knows Tableau. There's a couple. We'll see the Gartner's chart later on. You see a couple of other tools, emerging tools, and where they are. So we also build business intelligence dashboards. Then, like I mentioned, in the edtech sector, we look at the data analytics training and literacy. So if you need your staffs, you need your businesses upskilled with the modern data tools that are really moving the market, right? Will help your staff rather to get upskilled. And then market research. You want to understand how a particular location is performing before you take your business there, before you make some decisions, right? Will help with market research, from gathering the data to analyzing the data to building reports to giving you a tailored report that will help inform your decisions. So these are the services that we render. And like I mentioned, there's a community that we are building currently. It's growing, but not growing as would have been hoped. But we are looking to grow this community, and that's why we are happy with what ISLP actually mentioned around collaboration, because we need to spread this knowledge. Elvis mentioned data is the new oil. This is a very, very, very popular quote from 5-6 years ago, right? So we need to build that community, which is what we are also doing. So we have a group where if anybody has any question around data, around the career path to take, you drop your questions there. We'll get back to you. That's one of the benefits of being in the community. Yes, so the reasons why businesses work with us: we have in-house expertise. We eliminate the burden from report generation to automation to insight generation. We help you train on a modern data stack, and we decrease expenditure for services. So by outsourcing your data analytics jobs to Hankali Intel as a consulting firm, it helps you cut down cost depending on the size of your business there. So yeah, that's who we are. So you want to contact us in Nigeria, you can reach us here at this address. in the UK, you can reach us here at this hub, the Edge Hub. And this is our website, and this is our flagship product, which is currently in development and slated to go live next year. So that's it for us as Hankali Intel.